Hi, I'm Tyler Hahn, one of the project managers on the Fireplace retail side for Haley Comfort Systems. So an insert, the most common for converting your wood burning fireplace to a gas or electric, or there are wood insert concepts too. But the most popular is definitely converting a lot of those wood burners that haven't been used for 10 plus years and getting a use out of it. So there's more of a good, better, best, and then goes into the existing cavity in the existing firebox you have, and then uses the existing chimney and flue with a liner kit too. The simplicity of either switching a switch or pushing a button to turn the fire on or off. No more cutting wood or buying wood, hauling wood in, or cleaning up ash. So there's all those pros of converting it to gas, but mainly simplicity. Yes, I would say at least 90% plus. There is restrictions on size, but there are multiple sizes from a 25-inch, 30-inch, 35-inch. The project manager, like me, would come out, measure, and see what can fit. Most gas inserts we'd have done within a day. We'd come out, measure, make sure everything would be lined up and fit, and then an install would be one day, and we'd have it converted to a gas fireplace. Very easy, so you can have it kind of manually driving with the remote, just turn it on when you want it on, 1 to 5 on the heat, 1 to 4 on the blower, or have a thermostat mode and have it do its own thing. No, not normally. You do usually want your fireplace maintenance every season or two, but that's more in the actual box. Make sure there's no moisture buildup or dust buildup. The chimney should not need any cleaning. So we got a couple different routes. It's free for us to come out, measure, see what you're working with, because every house and every fireplace is different. Or obviously stop into our showroom, and then you can see them in person, and there's plenty that want to do both. We mainly carry Heat and Glow, so Lake City, Minnesota. All the way up to the best does have the patent fire brick, so it is a ceramic mold. Just helps with the efficiency and helps kick out the most amount of that heat and get the most out of your gas insert.
That's all I have.
All right, thanks.